Hi, my name is Maddie. I'm a chemistry student at Casanova College, and today I'll be showing you a demonstration of what is known as hot ice. Now this is not actually freezing, it's just coming out of solution. The solution we have today is a supersaturated solution where I dissolved 10 times as much sodium acetate, which is a powder, in a little bit of water. And as you can see, it is growing, but it's not freezing. This demonstration is also very similar to the candy, the rock candy. It looks like crystals.
You're good to go.